Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to go over the custom field setting, and you'll find it by going to the List Options menu and then clicking Custom Fields. Now a custom fields setting is for each individual list. So for the list that we created, we can create a certain kind of information that Aweber will store and that we can collect on any particular web form that we have when we create one. So for example, we can collect an address, a phone number, and we can create any kind of field that we want based on our business. So in this particular case, we're going to create a custom field that we will use in a later sign-up form. Now, one of the things that we can do is we can give our subscribers the opportunity to update this information when they actually go to their subscriber options. So this would allow your subscriber to actually go back, even if they didn't have the opportunity to sign up with their birth date. They could change their subscriber options after the fact. So we'll click Subscriber Update, and then we will click Add. So now what we have is we have a custom field that we'll be able to add to any of our sign-up forms when we create them for a customer's birth date. And we can continue to add fields up to 25. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.